Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the license yours. Sign into the same Microsoft account used for Game Pass because licenses tie to accounts. Open the Xbox app on PC, find the game, and look for a buy price. Many Game Pass titles offer a discounted purchase option. Buy the game to convert temporary access into a permanent digital license on your account. Once bought, Microsoft retains ownership tied to your account, so you can reinstall anytime without needing an active Game Pass subscription. Once the license is permanent, secure the game files and saves. Enable cloud saves in the Xbox app and confirm OneDrive backup if supported. That preserves progression independent of reinstalls. Then, copy local save folders and any game data, typically inside your user profile or program files, onto an external drive or NAS. Make sure you have account credentials and the digital license visible in the Microsoft account page. These steps let you restore progress and reinstall, even if the store version is. To finish, reinstall using your Microsoft account library or the Xbox app. Make sure the game shows as owned under My Library. If the title is later removed from Game Pass, ownership still allows redownload when the store listing exists. If it does not, open a Microsoft support ticket with proof of purchase. If you can't launch, sign out and back in, run the store cache reset, and sync licenses. Finally, restore local save files from your backup or the cloud to recover progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.